These puppies are Sidney and Flashes. They are just a little over 2 weeks old. This is a little female right here. This is Yankee Bell Sweet Indulgence, Sweetie. And this is Max, named for my vet's boy who helped with the C-section. Max. And this is Tanya, who helped with the C-section. She's a little white with chocolate. He's going to look like Daddy, Mr. Flash. Black and white and tan. They're cute babies. They're looking for Mama. You looking for Mama? Are you looking for Mama, sweetie? You're a cute girl. Come here, little boy. Max, man. Yeah, little Tanya, you're a shrimpy girl. You're just a little shrimpy thing. Yes, you're so tiny. Just a little runt.